well, Alice Guo is already nasa ating custody. But then, yung iba pang mga cohorts ay nawaran. The Pasig RTC issued 5 warrant of arrest, all for qualified trafficking. Okay? 7 of them sa mga cohorts ni Alice Guo ay voluntarily surrendered to my regional director of Central Luzon, si Attorney Carpeso. No? At 4 lang pala ang sumurrender. 5 ang sumurrender sa kanya at 2 naman ay dumating kahapon, sumurrender naman sa aking hepe ng sila ang composition ng task force Bamban, Alex Guo. Ito po sila ngayon, nag-voluntarily surrender at yung mga karamihan Chinese ang at large pa, pero hindi kami tumitigil ng paghahanap sa kanila. Yung aking task force, yung aking Central Luzon na commander ay hindi tumitigil sa paghahanap sa kanila. Okay, paano ba sumurrender, pare, Panyero?
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Mayroon tayong asset sir sa labas, kaibigan na yung IP ng Tarlac District Office natin na nag-signify sir itong 5 personalidad na may kaso silang na-issue against human trafficking. Okay. Nung Friday sir, yung 4 pumunta sa opisina natin sir sa Tarlac. Oh. Pumunta sa Tarlac yung 4 sir nung Friday. Tapos nung kahapon lang sir yung isa, si Jemeline Santos Cruz sir, yung presidente sir ng Sangyuan, siyang presidente ng Pogo license sir.
Okay.
Sumurinder sir sa ating kahapon ng gabi sir. Sa Central Luzon sir.
Okay. Yun namang 2 dumating kahapon sa ating anti-organized crime division.
Thank you, sir. Thursday, even before the warrants were actually received by the NBI, there were already surrender feelers sent to us by the IBT and certain contacts of the director himself. There was a manifestation that 2 of the accused are actually surrendering before the NBI. So through arrangements made with also one of our divisions in Manila, dumating po kahapon yung 2 na dalawang officers po ng Zunyuan Corporation, yung kanang treasurer, si Mr. Juan Miguel Alpaz, at saka si Roderick Paul Bernardo Pujante, the secretary. So immediately after they were brought to the NBI through one of the divisions here, we contacted and notified the director of the surrender of the 2 accused. Ganun po. Pinroses po ito ng ating members ng task force Bamban na coming from the OTCD, yung Organized International Crimes Division, complement po ng task force.
Apparently, sa investigation namin, kami nga nag-file ng kaso, sila ang mga incorporators. Yung lumalabas, yung isang corporation na pag-aari ni Alice Guo, ang presidente ay si Jemeline Salcedo Santos. Siya. Treasurer, si Juan Miguel Alpaz, and si Roderick Paul Bernardo, ang secretary. Yun naman pong Hongshen Incorporators, si Rita Sapno, ang treasurer, president and CEO ay si Telma Laranan, at si walang posisyon na nakalagay kay Rowena Gonzalez Evangelista. Okay, so the warrant of arrest issued by the Pasig court as far as this accused are concerned will be returned to the Pasig court, and we will wait for the commitment order that will be issued by the Pasig court kung saan sila idadalhin.